Hello everyone, yet another series. Welcome back to Heron Academies and your very own YouTube channel, and I am Manju Khair. Yes, how are you all? I hope you are fighting fit, hale and hearty by the grace of God. Yes, I am also doing equally good. Let's start. This blog, I will be teaching today a very important concept. Yes, before tenses, after the structuring of types of sentences, how to give stress. अगर आपने मेरा previous वाला blog follow किया, उसमें मैंने what did I tell you? I told you that how many types of sentences are there. Yes, and types क्यों important है, कहाँ stress देना है, किस तरीके से आपने उसमें बोलना है, that is all in there in the previous blog, right? Follow that to get to understand this. Yes, अगर connection नहीं रहेगा तो नहीं सीख पाओगे effectively, right? So I suggest you, I recommend you, and I tell you also to continuously follow because I am making in series for you. कहीं से भी बीच से भी कुछ भी उठा के मैं नहीं बोल रही. I am connecting the series so that episodically आप इसको समझ पाएं streamline तरीके से. Yes, and it is only and only Heron Academy has brought it for you. Yes, so please, what you have to do, you know it. I don't have to tell you so many times. Yes, so now let's begin. Now what is there in this blog? The very important thing is how to apply the verb. देखो everybody knows कि मैम verb लगाना है, V1 लगाना है, 2, 3, 4 ऐसे लगाना है, इसके बाद ये लगाना है, ये वाला. But what is the most important part? कि उसको क्या सोचते हुए लगाना है. How you need to apply, how you need to fix that verb when you are thinking of a particular situation. ये situation सोचा तुरंत mind में. And one more thing I want to ask. आप बोलते कहाँ से हो? मैडम मुँह से बोलता हूँ. Generally all my students give me this answer. लेकिन बोलते कहाँ से? दिमाग से. So whatever you are speaking, it is just the words that is coming, which is thrown by your mind. Yes, you have to grow your mind. You have to develop your mind. You have to relate your mind with all these parts of speeches and whatever is going around, and effectively you will speak. So many of my students they tell कि मैम words हैं, formula भी है, सब कुछ है, लेकिन जब बोलने को आते हैं किसी के सामने तो बोल ही नहीं पाते. ऐसा क्यों भाई? बिकॉज माइंड में जो है वो रिलेट नहीं हो रहा उस पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन में कि दिस इज द सिचुएशन एंड दिस इज द पर्टिकुलर सेट दैट आई हैव टू यूज. सो इन माय ब्लॉग्स फ्रॉम हियर द जर्नी बिगिंस. क्या चीज सोचेंगे, क्या रिलेट करेंगे और कैसे कनेक्ट बिठाएंगे एंड कैसे हम बोलेंगे. For that you have to follow me. Yes. Now, how to apply the verb while thinking? Yes, not while speaking. Think करोगे तो ना बोलोगे. So, how to apply the verb while thinking? अब while thinking में question comes, ma'am, what to think? Correct. I will tell you. So how to apply the verb while thinking to speak effectively? बिल्कुल रटना बंद कर दो. ये 10 सेंटेंस है, ये 20 सेंटेंस है, 50 सेंटेंसेस है, इसको ये देख लो, इतने सेंटेंसेस हैं, आप याद कर लो और यूं बोलोगे अंग्रेजी. नेवर इट इज पॉसिबल. आप किसी और की दिमाग से अंग्रेजी नहीं बोल सकते. When you are trying to speak, हिंदी जब आप बोलते हो तो अपने दिमाग से बोलते हो, किसी और के दिमाग का सेंटेंस थोड़े लेके बोलते हो. Same thing is with English because Hindi is also a language, English is also a language. and and you relate the situation and then you speak that particular language. Yes, मैम वही चीज हिंदी में बोलनी हो तो हम तो ऐसे बोलेंगे कि बस देखो आप, बट इंग्लिश में दिक्कत है, नहीं दिक्कत है. The only thing is that you have to just relate what you are thinking and connect that right appropriate word and then you speak. So let's begin. Now, first and the foremost thing is you have to structure your thought to be fluent in English. Thought को कैसे आप structure करोगे? And let me tell you, Heron Academy gives all the sessions on life skills as well as personality development. If you are interested, the number is down below. You can contact us. Yes. Structure your thoughts to be fluent in English. Very important. Now, this we will start with present tense because time and tense is important. You all know that. पूरा time हम tense ही करते रहते हैं हर जगह. So now we will begin with present tense. How to apply the verb and structure the thoughts to be an effective speaker. So now the first thing is what is, it is the subject which is in the mind. It is the subject which is there in your mind. Yes, subject होता है. So subject means topic, subject means doer or anything that crosses your mind, that is subject. Subject कुछ भी हो सकता है. So now when you are talking about the subject, now what it is? First thing that comes to your mind is what? It is to be. Now what is to be? You are talking about the subject. Any topic, any person you want to speak, आप उसके बारे में बात करोगे. So that is called to be form of verb. With जो present tense में it is applied by is, am, and are. It is applied by is, am, and are. So in present tense, when you are talking about the subject, it is, am, and are. Yes, he is, I am, they are. And then followed by what? Any noun as an object, which is your object. Okay? Yeah, I am a professional, I am a student, I am a teacher. Yes, I am a doctor, I am an engineer, I am a manager. So you are talking about the subject. India is a vast country. Yes, India is beautiful. India is incredible. Yes, it is unbelievable. It is too gigantic. So when you are talking about the subject, you will fix is, am, and are. So what you are thinking? What you are thinking? You are thinking about the character. You are thinking about the character and you are fixing is, am, and are according to the subject. You got it? Yes. So the thought has to be is, am, are, and you are thinking about the subject. Yes. So how you will relate? What is there in your mind? This is the vocabulary. He is very docile. Isn't it? He is very vivacious. Yes. In my series of, vocabulary words, I will be dealing with all these words with you. So the words of characters, like he's very docile, he's very vivacious, he is very gullible. दूसरों की बातों में आ जाता है. So he is very gullible. So you are talking about by fixing is and are. So to be is this. Now to do. अब this subject, this is about. आपने इसके बारे में बात करी. तो अगर वो docile है, तो वो जो है हरकतें कैसे कर रहा है ना. सो ही वर्क्स diligently. So he is very docile. He works, right, diligently. Okay, so he works. So this is to do. So the thought has to be in to do form. So he is very docile. He works diligently. Yes, he works effectively. He works within no time. He works intelligently. So you are talking about what? To do means action. To do means you are talking about the action, and to be you are talking about the subject. You are talking about the subject, and here to have. Okay, so when it is to be, here it is to do, and the third जो आपके दिमाग में होना चाहिए वो क्या होना चाहिए? उसके पास क्या है? अगर वो docile है, वो अच्छे से काम करता है, so he has, है ना, because the topic is he, so he has knowledge. Okay, he has knowledge. So this is your ownership. So what he owns? So ownership can be what? Mental as well as physical. He has an office. So ये आपका क्या हो गया? This is physical possession. And ये क्या हो गया? Mental possession. Yes, possession किसी भी टाइप का हो सकता है. It can be concrete, it can be abstract. Yes. So अब हमने मेन चीज जो मैं आपको यहाँ पे बताने जा रही हूँ, मेन चीज which I want to tell you is that when you are thinking about the subject, so what are you thinking about the subject? You are thinking only three things: what the subject is, what the subject does, and what the subject has. Automatically the whole structure आपके दिमाग में आ जाता है, right? So assertive sentences, negative, interrogative, negative, जो हमने पिछले ब्लॉग में किया था. Try to make sentences like this. You will be able to fix it. So to be, to do, and to have. So अगर हमने किसी भी subject के बारे में we have to speak, we have to keep these three things in mind. That हमने subject के बारे में बात करना है, subject के action के बारे में बात करना है, और subject के possession के बारे में बात करना है. Yes. Alongside the formulas are coming. वो आप slides में you can follow that. Right? Formulas, okay, it is there, but not as important as what to keep it in mind when you are thinking about the subject. So तुरंत whenever you are thinking about the subject, then you have to think about action and ownership and possession. Automatically your structure is complete, your thought is clear, and you're confident to speak. Right. So what you have to do when you are thinking about the subject, when you want to speak, what you have to keep it in mind? To be, to do, and to have. Yes. Thank you so much for now. Keep that thing in mind, and again watch whatever I have told you, so that वो आपके दिमाग में अच्छे से घुस जाए. You have to keep repeatedly watching these blogs, because it will infuse in your mind, it will go inside your mind, because I am changing your thought process. I am trying to attack your mind so that you can speak from your mind, क्योंकि आप mind से ही बात करोगे. So whenever you see a subject, what you fix? To be, to do, and to have. Thank you for now. Bye bye.